There's a legendary person who coincidentally it's his birthday today.
Also my birthday.
Name starts with V.
No, Vishwanath Anand.
Of course. Can you name me 5 Indian chess grandmasters?
Vishwanath Anand, the one who's going to play Team Mukesh.
Yes, I know
Okay.
Prague.
Okay, that's
There's
it. There's a legendary person who coincidentally it's his birthday today.
also my birthday.
Name starts with V.
No, Vishwanath Anand.
Of course. Prague you mentioned.
Yeah.
Prague has a sister.
Yeah.
His name starts with V. Her name is
I know.
Vaishali.
Vaishali. Yes.
perfect.
Okay.
I'll show you an image and you try to recognize the two of them.
Somehow I've seen this guy, but I
Could you
can't
remember his
recall- No, I can't remember.
Okay. Can't remember names. I know that they're sponsored by these
Okay, so
people.
did you have access to chess clubs in school, college, or in your mohalla, something like that?
I have been taught chess by my younger brother, so he has taught me, and most of the time I lose. So yeah, chess is a game amongst us, but that is like casual game, not professional.
Actually, I did not anytime. But these days, I see a lot of chess classes and all that is going on, and even a competition I've heard about it recently. Otherwise, I have no idea about it.
Played chess at home, and it was like a hobby sort of sport at school.
बचपन में खेले थे पर भूल गए वो गेम.
Do you or anyone you know play chess even now regularly?
Yeah, at home, my husband plays chess. He has won few of the competition in the school and all that.
So my brother and father used to play chess. My brother is a school level chess player also. He was there, and I also started initially, but later as grades increased, I didn't I had to concentrate much on studies.
दोस्तों में
डिस्कशन एक बार हुआ था कि खेलता क्यों नहीं है चेस, हम लोग खेलते हैं.
हाँ.
बोले मेरे माइंड में नहीं आता है यार ये.
And what do you think is the biggest barrier towards chess becoming a prominent sport in India? Why has it not become that?
Like people do not have much idea as of now, or much what can you call exposure to it. They are not given importance to this game, maybe.
I think there's been a little bit of a taboo, right? That it's only supposed to be played by
Okay.
intelligent people, and I think it's not just that. It's a lot to do with strategy and understanding the movement more better.
ज़्यादातर आदमी इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता, क्रिकेट फुटबॉल में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं क्योंकि ये बड़ा सा गेम है, इसलिए चेस को उतना पॉपुलैरिटी नहीं देते हैं उस चीज़ को.
Given a choice, would you recommend chess compared to some of the other sports like cricket, football, badminton to people? And if yes, why?
I think it's a little more calming as a sport. You take your time with your moves, and you're always calculating what you have to do. And watching another person play chess is that you're also kind of trying to speculate their moves, and it's quite interesting to get into that space. I think it's very interesting. Cricket, nothing against cricket, football, and all of that.
And I would like to add, I feel chess is more of introverts game because they like to sit,
Correct.
think, analyze. So
It was-
most of introverts, they will enjoy a chess game instead of the people who like outdoor, who are more of extrovert. So that could also be a reason.
Why do you think that you never picked up chess?
When I was little, my uncle, taught me how to play chess. But for me, sports is something, it's a stress reliever. It's a little entertaining thing. And for chess, I think it's a lot of cerebral things, happening there, and I find it, very hard concentrating there. So that's why I never really picked up chess.